Hello, and here the news from IEA Wind Task 51 forecasting for the weather-driven energy system. We are spanning the entire value chain of wind power forecasting, from weather predictions over power conversion and vendor issues to the use of especially probabilistic forecasts. We are about 250 people from academia and practitioners. The newest activity is that we ran a numerical weather prediction benchmark for two sites, one heavily instrumented in the US, looking at difficult to forecast mountain waves, and another one in the Baltic Sea for a week of power data from an offshore wind farm. The Baltic case is currently analyzed. Additionally, we are currently expanding the recommended practice for forecast solution selection with a part 4 on how to make meteorological measurements from renewable power plants available for forecasts mandated in grid codes. We also add some potential standards for data transfer. We are also finalizing a review of uncertainty propagation through the modeling chain. Check out our web presence, IEA Wind Forecasting DK, and our YouTube channel. The new Task 51, Forecasting for the Weather-Driven Energy System, is taking the aim of forecasts much broader, to a time where wind and solar are the backbone of the grid. While we keep the work packages, we add a new dimension as work streams. In the following, I will show some of them. Like 6 years ago, we will have a workshop in Dublin on the state-of-the-art and research gaps. Of course, atmospheric physics is central to many other work streams. As a new thing, we will start to analyze winds 600 meters above ground where airborne wind energy is making inroads. We will also look into seasonal forecasting, which is important not only for wind, but especially for hydropower. Extreme power system events can be extreme weather, like here in Texas, or quite dull weather with a low wind and gray sky. We will discuss both in a workshop. Artificial intelligence is getting used more and more. We will write a report on the use of AI in wind power forecasting. Underserved areas are areas of the world where the World Meteorological Organization observational network is quite thin, typically developing countries. How to start a good forecasting service will be the workstream forecasting for underserved areas. Minute scale forecasting is useful for wind farm flow control or offshore building opportunities. In closing, I appreciate my co-authors, especially my co-operating agent, Caroline Draxel from April.